Hi guys, I hope you are doing well on this fine Friday summer's day that is raining outside. I hope this will brighten your day. Going to read Henry and the Elephant. This is a Thomas and Friends story. A lovely Thomas and Friends story. One morning, Henry took some workmen to a tunnel. The workmen ran out of the tunnel looking frightened. We started digging, but something ground and moved, they said. Right, said the foreman. I shall ride in a truck and Henry shall push it out. However, whatever it is. Oh dear, puffed Henry as they diverted slowly into the darkness. All of a sudden, there was a huge bump. Help! We're going back, Henry, as he was pushed out of the tunnel by a large elephant. It's an elephant from the circus, said the foreman.
Morning, Arthur. That filled up quick. Didn't it just? With all sorts of things.
They gave the elephant some sandwiches and cake, and he drank 3 buckets of water. When Henry let off steam, the elephant jumped and he squirted the water all over Henry by mistake. Poor Henry. He had to face an elephant. An elephant came and pushed Henry out the tunnel because Henry was scared, frightened, and by the end, Henry got squirted with water by mistake. Poor Henry. And here's a picture. Here's a picture of Henry being caught, getting angry because of the elephant squishing water in his face. And now the story of Henry and the elephant. And that was Henry and the elephant. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed seeing it. And something that you can take away from it that animals can be very cheeky and they can squirt water. They can put water on your face like elephants. And I hope you enjoyed this story. And hope that made you feel more happy today. And if you liked the story, the Thomas and Friends story, you can like and subscribe and comment below if you want me to do if you want me to read another story of Thomas and Friends. I hope you have a good day and see you soon. Goodbye. Have a good day.